Hey everybody. So before we jump into today's math problem, let's take a brief moment to meditate and do some focused breathing to relax ourselves. So sit up straight and your hands can be on your thighs, palms down or palms up, and you can even make an OK sign touching your forefingers to your thumbs. And gently close your eyes and take a deep inhale through your nose. And exhale slowly also through your nose. On your next inhale, also through your nose, feel your spine lengthen and grow tall as you relax your shoulders and your neck. And exhale slowly through your nose, feeling the tension in your body relax. Inhale slowly, sending the breath to any parts of your body that might be feeling a little tense or a little stiff. And as you exhale slowly, feel that tension release. Let's take one last deep breath, inhaling fully. Feel your belly fill and your sternum rise and your spine lengthen. And when you get to the top, just hold your breath for a few seconds. And then see how slowly you can exhale, savoring that breath and feeling your body relax with a sense of calmness. And then gently open your eyes. This problem comes from the College Board. It's a multiple choice question from the SAT Section 3, which does not allow calculators. And the problem says, one end of a spring is attached to a ceiling. When an object of mass m kilograms is attached to the other end of the spring stretches to a length of L centimeters as shown in the equation above. What is m when L is 73? And we're given 4 choices. So take a minute to work on this, see what you can do. It's okay if you're not sure how to approach it. You can even just take a guess, and then we'll look at it together. This is a pretty straightforward algebra problem, but it's also a good opportunity for us to apply one of the strategies we looked at earlier, which is called start in the middle or try C. And it says that if you have a multiple choice problem and the choices are given in order from smallest to largest or largest to smallest, and you're not sure how to approach the problem, you can test one of the middle values, B or C. And I just picked C, and that's why we call it the try C strategy. So let's apply this here. In this problem, they're telling us that L is 73, and we want to know if L is 73, what's the value of M? So let's look at this carefully. If we try C, that means that M would be 73. Does that make sense? We want something plus 24 to equal 73. Well, if I take M equals 73 and multiply it by 3.5, that's going to be over 200. And then if I'm going to add more to that, that's going to definitely be more than 73. So I can eliminate answer C. And it's too big. And because it's too big, I can also eliminate D, which is even larger. So now the strategy says test one of the remaining values. So we can do A or B. Let's just go with B. So the question now is, if I substitute 27.7 in for M, does that look good? Well, 27.7 times 3.5 is going to be over 75. And then I'm going to add 24 to it. So that's definitely too big. So I can eliminate B as well. So at that point, I'm only left with one answer. So I know that A is correct. So hopefully you see through this strategy that you don't necessarily have to do all the algebra in order to find which of the choices makes the most sense. You can actually look at what values are provided and you can see, well, do these make sense, right? I'm going to have something times 3.5 that I'm going to add 24 to get 73. So this thing here has to be sort of around 50, right? 3.5 times M has to be around 50 if I'm going to add 24 to it to get 73. So 27.7 is definitely too big, as are these others. So the answer would be 14. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this strategy, and we'll continue practicing it with more problems from the College Board. It'll definitely speed up the amount of time that you spend on each problem and give you more confidence. If you have any questions or any suggestions or requests, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you subscribe to this channel, you'll be notified of new videos as they get posted. I enjoyed working together, and I look forward to seeing you next time.